Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lisa Amira and today you're going to be cooking with me. Today we're going to be cooking spinach and chicken lasagna rolls. These are all the ingredients that we're going to be using today. So we're going to first start off by shredding our baked chicken. And I use a total of 4 chicken breasts for this recipe. Feeling right, chest, and fuck how you feel about it. Now let's get started on our spinach mixture. We're going to first start off by adding mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Then we're going to add in some ricotta cheese, and we're going to use about 16 ounces of that container. Now I'm going to go in and season my mixture. Now this is optional. I like to season mine for the extra flavor. Now I'm going to go in with some Alfredo sauce. Now you guys don't have to use this. I like to add it for extra flavor. Now that we have everything in our mixture bowl, we're going to mix it well. Now we're going to cook our pasta, and then we're going to move on by prepping our lasagna rolls. Now we're going to start off by spreading our spinach mixture onto our pasta, and then we're going to sprinkle in some of our chicken, and then we're going to start rolling our pasta rolls. Now you guys can add some extra flavor to your chicken by mixing your shredded chicken with some Alfredo sauce. Today we're just going to sprinkle on our chicken. Moving on to our dish, we're going to add some of this pasta sauce to the bottom of our dish, and then we're going to layer our lasagna rolls on top of the pasta sauce. Now that we have all our lasagna rolls into our dish, we're going to top it off with some more of that pasta sauce, and then we're going to add in some mozzarella cheese. Now we're going to place our lasagna rolls into the oven at 375 for 25 minutes. Now we're all done. You guys can pair this recipe with some garlic bread. I paired it with some garlic Parmesan asparagus. Comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see that recipe, and I'll get that video out to you guys. Also, to my pescatarians, you guys can follow this recipe step by step. Just don't add the chicken and it still will be delicious. I did go ahead and made a couple without the chicken, and now I'm going to top it off with some parsley. I hope you guys try out this recipe. It's so delicious. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.